Introducing LiteBox Edge-Lit Surface Mount Downlights from Prescolite, featuring a contemporary appearance with a flange and profile of a mere ½ inch. Available in 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch round and square apertures with optional decorative color trims that allow customization for the space. These downlights provide an effective solution for a wide range of spaces, including multifamily residential, offices, healthcare facilities, hospitality, and other commercial spaces, including wet location applications. LiteBox Edge-Lit surface mount downlights are simple to install. Two mounting options accommodate different installation needs while maintaining a consistent appearance below the ceiling. The direct J-box mount can be installed onto standard 3.5-inch or 4-inch octagonal and round junction boxes. The remote J-box mount includes a remodel mounting sleeve, remote driver J-box, and quick connect cable to simplify installations where there is no existing J-box. Both mounting options feature a quick snap installation method, reducing time and labor cost. LiteBox Edge-Lit surface mount downlights provide several performance features in one fixture, enhancing their versatility. Every model comes standard with 120 to 277 universal voltage and 3 dimming protocols, 0 to 10 volt, Triac, or electronic low voltage. Both direct mount and remote J-box mount are offered with a choice of fixed CCT in 3000K or 3500K at 80 CRI, or switchable CCT, which allows selection of 2700K, 3000K, 3500K, or 4000K, all with 90 CRI. LiteBox Edge-Lit surface mount downlights are ENERGY STAR certified, designed to last 50,000 hours, and are suitable for wet location, as well as airtight and IC-rated applications to meet stringent energy codes. For applications requiring it, the EM accessory provides 90 minutes of emergency lighting. The EM ring with test switch and indicator light add only 1/16 inch to the overall height and blends seamlessly with the standard downlights within the space. For surface mount downlighting that affordably combines a clean appearance with ease of installation and functional versatility for many applications, LiteBox Edge-Lit is the ideal solution.